Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening from whatever part of the world you're tuning in from. My name is Tracy Nauber, and I am your English expert for the IELTS exam. I'm a postgraduate student at the School of Education in Trinity Western University, Canada, and I'm currently en route to a PhD in English. My academic training is on TESOL, that's teaching English to speakers of other languages just like yourself, and I used to mark the IELTS exam at the British Council. Now, my daily nuggets are designed to tell you some of the things that I failed candidates for and basically to help you stay away from them. So this week, it's the speaking module, and today happens to be my last topic on my speaking module. The topic we're handling today is leveraging speech articles. Now, what are speech articles? So, I'd give a good example, and now A and D. These are words that come before the noun when you use a sentence. I noticed that most second language users, like people who are learning English just like yourself, often would drop the article whenever they're making conversation. A lot of people do this in their speaking exams. And when they do it, it doesn't seem like they even know that they've done something wrong. So it still boils down to my point about helping the brain unlearn some of the bad practices that it has already been making in the past. So dropping an article is a bad speech practice. For instance, in Nigeria, people would commonly say, like if they went to a shop to buy something, people would commonly say, "Give me detergent." To you, "give me detergent" is all right, but you have missed out an ability to qualify what quantity or what specific kind of detergent that you mean. So it's either you say something like, "Give me the detergent," and you're pointing at one, or "Give me a pack of sunlight detergent," for instance. You've specified with a name, it's a certain type, a certain brand of detergent that you want. Or "Give me an apple," instead of saying "give me apple." So a lot of second language users often remove the article in the sentence, and that's wrong because while you've been able to convey meaning, I mean, if I'm the shopkeeper, I know that you obviously want detergent to wash your clothes. However, if I am an examiner and I'm being trained to make sure that you're using English language in an effective way, I will pick up on that as an error. And imagine that you have like some 20 of those in speech. Obviously, that's going to take away from your marks and totally reduce your band score. So what you want to watch out for is you want to pay attention to certain interlanguage behaviors. In this case, dropping the article before the noun. You want to watch out for that. Make sure that as you're talking, you're listening to yourself. You are hearing yourself out. If you make the error, immediately, regress and fix it and continue your speech. Sometimes when I make my videos, you would also notice that I can often say a word and then I know it's not correct and immediately I'm fixing myself. That does something. It tells you that I am human enough to make an error, but I am cognitively alive enough to know that that error needs fixing and to also know what to fix. So you also want to do that with your examiner once you're in your speaking test. Try not to drop your articles, and even when you do drop an article, because it's a behavior that your brain has learned over time as you are crossing over from your first language into English as a second language, you want to fix your error immediately. You want to correct yourself so that your examiner knows that, wow, not only do you know what the target language is, but you know what the necessary errors can be in getting to your target language, which is becoming an English excellent person. And you're able to fix that. So that says volumes about you as a candidate, and that's most likely able to get you the high band score that you're looking for. I hope that tip helped. So this week I'd like to invite you to my IELTS training course. We've already started our writing course, and for those of you in the classroom, I hope you're having a good time with me. So if you'd like to register for subsequent training courses, the ones that we have in speaking, in reading, and also in listening, I'd like you to please send us an email to englishexpertforielts@theonlinelady.com. Just add your name and your phone number, and then we'll schedule you for a mock test to give us some analytical results on where your problem areas lie, and then we can start to fix them one module at a time. I hope you give me an opportunity to work with you, and don't forget that we're social. We're everywhere on social media as English Expert for IELTS. And I'm signing out now. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.